It is a new year and I'm back with a brand new project. I want to build a forest lantern nightlight. I ended last year with making an elephant sculpture and I'm ready for a new challenge. Walking through the forest, seeing the light, reaching the path and playing on the foliage, looking up at the canopy. Also the beauty of cathedral windows. The sunlight on stormy clouds. And the gnarly tree trunks of bonsai trees have inspired me and are at the heart of my new forest lantern. I want to build it around the shape of a terrarium. Come with me and share the experience. The assembly of the base is fairly simple. I've cut the parts from leftover plywood and planks, as well as a piece of hardboard. The light fitting is installed in the center and it is glued together, then sanded for a smooth finish. I'm diving headfirst into the world of 3D printing by making the 4 corner posts from freshly printed plastic. It feels a little like a whole new world of possibilities opening up, but for today I'm just scratching the surface. In my shed was a leftover bit of perspex and I needed to cut 4 panels from it. To cut perspex with a jigsaw is easy. Just stick masking tape to the perspex and draw the lines on this where the cutting is to be done. Also make sure to use a blade that is for cutting metals. Once cut, just peel off the tape and it is done. The panels will all feature different forest scenes, all taken from the story of Red Riding Hood. These will be made to look like stained glass, but my next video will show more on this topic. As you have seen, the trees are made with a wire armature for strength, then a layer of air dry clay. The clay is perfect to make the trees full of knots and hopefully lots of character. They will end up with green foliage, but more on that in a future video. The trees get painted a dark brown color with acrylic paint, and a lighter color gets brushed over it. Lastly, a light rusty color is added. This will echo the red on Red Riding Hood's grandma's house in the forest. Thank you for stopping by Dutty's Vineyard. Please like and subscribe, and look out for the next video coming out soon.